Hello guys, so today I have a customer 10% from Australia. We are heading to Uluwatu Temple, and now I'm in Uluwatu Temple. I just want to show you the latest update situation of Uluwatu Temple. Today is 20 March 2005. So please subscribe, like and comment if you like this video, and follow me for the travel vlog in Bali especially, and enjoying the video.
You're covered with your travel. Probably. You are. You're out. Maybe the monkey just love legs.
Monkeys are attracted to arms. They're just attracted to legs.
Did you see him take that man's glasses? He ran up the man's back like that. He's like, oh,
Did you get him back?
yes. So quick.
Oh!
Oh,
Kalau si nenek,
saya kirain tadi malah blasteran kayak Belanda gitu.
enggak.
Hmm. Get the view from here. Ah, it's nice view from here. See, at the view.
Wow.
Yes, nice.
He almost got it. What are you doing for? Cell phone for you guys.
Udah maklo, Mbak. Ini. Udah maklo.
Udah sama dia dari Kamis kemarin.
Oh.
Tapi dia ada di sini dari Kamis yang lalu.
Hmm.
Oh, naughty.
Just fly.
Oh, look at that.
It's actually a beautiful place.
Yes, beautiful. We still have many places like this. Yeah.
This clip is very beautiful. Oh, this is the boss in this area. The big one.
You said it.
Look, a phone. Look.
The phone.
He got the phone again.
Yeah.
The
The
phone.
man's phone. He's like, and he knows, so he's like quickly trying to open the plastic and eat the fruit.
And he's got him with a fake.
You need more fruits.
But like he had the phone, so he put the phone down, caught the other bag, and they put the cup.
You are a... Oh wow! Hang on to your phone. Yeah. He's stolen a man's phone.
Oh, yeah.
And one of the guys was trying to grab him. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Wow. He was seriously with the phone in his feet.
Oh, another monkey coming. Be careful. Okay. Better go.
Down there. That's, hang on to your phone. The water is stunning. The water is just like magical.
We'll back this maybe next year.
It's
New one.
beautiful.
Monkeys. There's something can have like the temple from the outside area.
Yeah.
There's even a head inside that he stole it at some point in life. He did.
Chicky monkey.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Then with like tipping, they did 50,000, so like $5.
É, eles ficam olhando.
And the man's like, you already walking for a cash and like, do something strong, goes in his head like that. And he goes, no. He said, two. And he goes, no. Fucking literally just extorted me now, fucking $30.
No.
Yeah.
For God's sake. Yeah, the fun. I'm not.
banana，野生的，原始的。谢谢爸爸。
Maybe you can take picture from here. Okay.
Really? Para.
哇，这个浪好漂亮！快！这条草子。
We don't want it. You can't have it.
What the baby?
I have no idea.
There's the best view on the top there. When you see some monkeys, you can
Yeah, take them off.
take off here. When no monkey, you can use it.
Yeah, that's not the problem, it's the monkeys you can't see. It's the monkeys.
Lots of monkey business here, brother. Careful with your phone, yeah.
폰 보고 다녀.
Yep, she's very good.
Let's get it. Yeah,
No,
it could
sorry,
be a
sorry,
waiting
sorry,
to,
sorry. I didn't
okay.
realize. Sorry.
Oh.
Amazing.
Ela sentou.
Eu não sei, o que aconteceu e foi pra algum lugar.
Well, here is the best spot to take picture.
Ah, ok.
Yeah.
Cauê, ele falou que aqui é o melhor
Exato.
lugar pra tirar foto.
If anyone need toilet here, yeah.
Because everyone kind of looks the same in the purple, so I only recognise
Yeah.
the people that are not in purple.
Yeah, it's another stair.
Only good going up the path.
Right.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Had a little rest, so that's good. Whew.
So his name is Dyanang Nyarta, who built this temple, people.
Mas é, quer levar ou não? Esse é group one. Não?
Tá batendo bem você, né?
É, não tá aparecendo.
You can walk one round, no problem. You can walk one round, no problem. Yeah.
I wonder if we go up on here.
Round to